On the last episode, I experienced my first track day in the RX-8. It was an absolute blast, but the stock brake system was compromised, and it was definitely holding me back. The fix, I ripped out the entire brake system, upgraded it, and gave the calipers a fresh new neon yellow look. To maximize the footwork, I threw on a fresh set of 18 by 9.5 Enkei RPF1s with a custom Nardo Grey powder coat. And last and not least, we are finally tracking the new Bridgestone Potenza RE-71RZ tires. Time to see what the setup can do. Day one, a lot of good info, a lot of good inputs. Got a little bit of a instruction, my buddy Jeff. And then today, I just did run 1. So now we're gonna go do run 2 here in like 30 minutes. Stefan from Race Centric, an amazing driver, rode with me during session 1 and he gave me a lot of good advice. And group 1 has a lot of cars, but I was still able to like cut my time even being in traffic by like 7 seconds. My personal best yesterday was a 2:09. I would like to go to a 2:05 today. Coming into turn one here, I finally have confidence in my braking system after replacing the calipers, pads, rotors, and putting stainless steel braided lines. Coming into turn 6 here, you can actually hear the RE-71RZ, the tires they're kind of loud. So with hot lapping these tires, I've noticed laps 1 through 3, sometimes into 4, the grip is insane, but anything after 4 laps, the tire does get a little greasy. car's great with the wheels and tire setup, but if you, maybe we'll go out and take a look at it, but if you go out and look at my tires right now, the car's rolling onto the shoulder quite a bit, and I'm still stock suspension, stock alignment, so at some point in the next event, I'm hopefully get coilovers, sway bars, and then get like a track alignment, because the shoulder's being used and abused, but like the inside of my tire is like brand new. My outer shoulder here is, you know, getting a lot of the abuse around track, but then on the inner here, it still looks like it's, you know, brand new. So I could get a little more camber. I could probably use a lot more tire patch. I was able to get another PB today. So yesterday I did a 209, today I did a 207. It's starting to click. It's starting to click. So tire pressure, I'm still chilling at between 28, 30 PSI cold. Hot is becoming about 34, 35. I'm ecstatic right now. I couldn't believe I'm going this quick right now. Well, made it back home. A back-to-back weekend track event under my belt now. And just, man, what an awesome track weekend. Friday going best time at a 209 to Saturday doing a 207. So I'm getting really comfortable in this car. Again, I've only owned it for 4 or 5 months now. And then just having Stefan drive the car and really show me what the car's capable of was just a lot of good info. Him just giving me really good coaching advice. So I'm really thinking that I can do Group 2 now, hang in with more or faster and more consistent drivers. And if I can get, coilovers, sway bars, I think that's going to help a lot. And actually like a dedicated track pad, it's going to hopefully make me faster. But I think I'm ready. Boys and girls, for Group 2. The next event is supposed to be at Pacific Raceway. That track kind of scares me, not gonna lie. Hopefully by then I'll have my exhaust put on, intake, and then hopefully some more suspension mods. Also, let me know what you guys think of the new look with the neon yellow calipers and the Nardo Grey RPF1s. If you guys are vibing with it or not. I personally think it looks great. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of the event and what I should do next to the car. So I'll talk to you guys later.